Welcome to Wilson the Family Kitchen. Today we are going to be making Maki salmon rolls. And this real quick is for anyone who doesn't like raw fish. Sometimes it may seem gross, but try it. Try salmon actually for a start. Not cooked but raw. Try it at like a sushi place. Somewhere where it's like well prepared, like professional. So starting out, you need 1 piece of nori. You can find them at your local supermarket. Shiny side goes down, and shiny but rough side goes up, because the shiny but smooth side, it's more sticky when wetted. And yes, we're going to use wetness. Or in this case, water. So first we're going to spread sushi rice or sticky rice on. It's quite sticky. It's quite sticky. I recommend washing your hands because sometimes you might need to touch the rice. So, I have recently learned you should use this part of a wooden spoon, the flatter side. Okay. That should be good. Now we add the toppings. Now for this, you might want to go like this so that it goes down the middle. So first we need cold smoked Atlantic salmon. If it falls apart, that's fine. Just try to get all of it on. Now we need cucumbers. Line them up. Just down the center, to either side you want, but yeah. Go. Just a few for show. Now we add our avocado. Avocado. That's not good. Okay, now we add our scallion. I'd say do them smack down the middle, just because. And our final ingredient is sweet soy glaze. Okay, so now we got to dip our fingers in the water and wet the lip so that it makes it sticky. So now, go over to here. We roll it. Okay, it's done being rolled. Now we gotta wet our fingers and get this last little bit. So now we're gonna cut it. There we go. We have the ugliest piece. So now after some minor difficulties, we get to try it. We cut off the end because that's where stuff is sort of falling out, which isn't good. That's really good. So real quick, use the flat side of the paddle. Tip first when cutting. Make sure to make the mat go over the ingredients and the nori. And finally, we learned this just from tonight. Do not overdo it with the ingredients. But anyways, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. We're close to 400. But yeah, that's all for today in Wilson in the Family Kitchen. Have a good day. See you all next time. When does a joke become a dad joke?
When?
When it becomes a parent. How many tickles does it take to make an octopus laugh? 10 tickles. What do you get when you cross a dinosaur and a pig?
What?
Jurassic Pork. That's really good.